to invest or not to invest? Is this the biggest question that's troubling you right now? The kind of uncertainty, unpredictability that you are seeing? Well, a lot of you investors are going through it, but then here comes the help. If you are someone who thinks that it's not the right time to invest in the market, or maybe someone who's thinking of taking that step towards investing only when the market conditions are right, let me tell you one thing: your money over there lying idle is finding other purposes. And when I say other purposes, you definitely know what am I talking about. So don't let that happen, because you are losing out an opportunity for your money to make money for you, to earn for you. Now let's say you are someone who's looking for a right time to invest in the market. Let me explain this to you through an example. Let's say you do not wait for the right time, and you have decided to do a monthly SIP of say 25,000, and you will do it for say 20 years, and annually you might earn around 12%. You know, if you do this with discipline regularly, you will land up earning 2 to 2.5 crores after 20 years. And if you delay this process for say more 10 years from now, you will have to invest 4 times. Yes, you got it right. You will have to invest 4 times more than the amount you are investing now. So, do not delay the process of your investment. Obviously, you need to have a financial plan in place. You need to plan your investment instruments, your financial goals, the amount of corpus you want to accumulate, and the amount you want to invest. But markets are volatile. I'm sure you must be reading a lot because of the uncertainty and unpredictability that's everywhere right now, not only in Indian markets but global markets as well. But what you can do is just plan out your investments through an SIP maybe, or in a staggered way, so that you get to participate in every market movement. So do not let your money stay idle.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.